Yes. Okay. A new friends come in your class. You want to meet? Yes. New friend letter? Yes. Now clapping. Clapping. New friend. New friend. Come. Come. New friend. Clapping. Say everyone loudly. They are clapping. Come. Come. New friend. Okay. Clap your hands. Clap for new friend. Hello. Are you a new friend? I am X letter. I am capital X. I am capital X. We can say also Mama X. Mama X. We can say also Mama X. Okay, now tell me which letter is this? Loudly. Which letter is this? Loudly. I'm not listening. Which letter is this? Your voice is not coming. Loudly. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? Which letter is this? Okay. Now tell me which letter is this? Which letter is this? Tanika. Which letter is this? Bhumi. Baby X. Which Speak loudly. Which letter is this? Okay. Which letter is this? Baby. Okay. Speak loudly. Hold your hands. Speak loudly. Okay, now tell me, what many friends? Like you, X letter has many friends. You want to meet X letter friends? Yes. You want to meet? Yes. Speak loudly. Okay, clap for X letter friend. Clapping. X letter friend is coming. Candana. Now tell me, what is this in my hand? Tell me, what is this in my hand? Okay, X for